So for this one, to find the average of the following 8 numbers, we need to add, so 1984 plus 1989. We'll add them all together. Okay, I'll just do this in this way. So we have 1984 plus 1989. Okay. I hope you listen well because I don't have a good penmanship. So we have 2022 plus 2019 rather, plus 2144 plus 2198 plus 2003 and plus
Wow.
2025, and they're all gonna be divided by what are they all gonna be divided by? Should be 8, right? Okay.
Eight.
Okay, very good. So if we add 1984 and 1989, so we should be able to get 3973.
Nếu mà mới dẫn lên
Then for this
mới dẫn
one,
nhá, có phải check được chụp ảnh không?
we'll get
Ba tám
at least 4041. Now for these two, okay, 4342, and these two will be adding 2003 plus 2025 will get 4028. Now let's add them again. So 3973 plus 4241, and we'll have 8214 plus 4342 plus 4028 is gonna be 8370. And if we add the two, we'll have 16584. Then if we divide them by 8, do I need to use the long method or I'll skip? Uh, you know how to do the long method of dividing, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 16584. If we divided that by 8, and we'll get, okay, Kenzo, nice. It's 2073. Okay, so questions for this one. So if the okay, I I take it no questions further, so let's go. So for this one, blue blocks are drawn at random without replacement from a bag containing 18 red blocks, 29 black blocks, and 40 blue blocks rather. At least how many blocks needed to be drawn to ensure 7 red blocks and 4 blue blocks. So for this one, we're just gonna go with this one, okay? Since our need to be ensured is 7 is bigger than 4, so we'll follow the 7 one. Okay, we'll focus on the 7 one. So our solution is gonna be like this: 7 uh plus 29 and plus 40. Okay, so
Cái này em biết làm rồi.
29. You have questions or not?
Trời con.
Okay, nice, nice. Everyone answered in the in the chat section. Okay,
Seven. Lê Minh Kiệt. Giờ Vin Kê.
so questions. So if there are none, let's go to number 3. So for this one, uh, if you read the question, it requires 81 minutes to cut a piece of wood into 10 sections rather. The time required to cut one piece of wood into two is the same every time. How many minutes are required to cut a piece of wood into 16 sections? So for this one, we'll have 81. To have 10 sections, where it's gonna be it's gonna be rather uh 9 cuts, and for 16 sections, also gonna be uh 15 cuts. Okay. So for this one, if you know the answer, okay, okay, everyone chat in the chat box, very good. So we have here 81 divided by the 9 here, the 9 cuts, okay, and we'll have how much? We'll have 9. Now 9 here is gonna be multiplied by the 15, so we'll have the answer of 135. Okay, so questions? Okay, there are none. So let's go on. So for this one, there are several chickens and goats in a farm, and these animals have a total of 140 legs. If the number of chickens is 5 times the number of goats, how many chickens are there in the farm? So for this one, we'll get just mm, since we have the 5 times number of chicken, so we'll use one.
Ừ.
Okay, wait a second.
Về con biết chưa?
Okay, so we'll have 120 divided by this one, 2 times 5
Để mà 50.
plus 4, then times 5 here. Okay, then we'll have
Còn có lớp 5 trong này là một.
no, rather 140 rather, sorry. So we have 140 divided by 14 times 5. So 140 divided by 14 is just gonna be 10. Okay, then let's multiply by 5 and we'll have 50.
Đó, đúng rồi.
Okay,
80 nè. Đúng rồi nè.
so questions? If there are none, then I will go on. So according to the pattern shown below, what should be the number filled in the blank? So for this one,
Nó có cả tiếng Trung mà vậy. Nó có cả tiếng Trung lúc này vậy.
the pattern is gonna be adding this, no, adding this, and okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. 3, yes, yes, any question? Okay, so we have here 3, 5, 9. 3 plus 5 plus 9
Phương Thủy.
is equal to 17. And 5 plus 9 plus 17 is equal to 31. So, what's gonna be the pattern, right? So it's gonna be 9, Rather, yeah. 9 plus 17 plus 31. Yes, do you have a question or no? So if we add a 9, 17, and 31, so this is 7,
Ba
bring
ơi,
up 1,
học từ 7 giờ đến
and the
10
answer
giờ.
is 57. Okay, so the answer here is 57.
Khó khăn để chơi.
So, okay, this one, this one, this one, and adding them.
Chị nhìn thấy khoăn khoăn rồi mới hiểu rồi.
Okay. So, any questions for this one? So, I think not. So, mm, uh, reading the question, at least how many people are there? If you can be sure that 30 people among them with the same birthday, even if you do not know the birthday of these people. So, the solution is gonna be like this. Okay. We have 36, 366 times 29
Có hiểu không?
and just plus 1 to ensure. Okay. So for this one, if we multiply 366 times 29, we're gonna get at least 1,614.
Teacher,
Yes?
I'm grade 5.
Yes?
I'm grade 5. I don't have this test.
Were you able to take the training?
Okay.
Okay. Are you grade 5 or are you grade 6?
Grade 5.
Are you in the
Grade
correct
5,
breakout room?
grade 5.
Okay,
I
this
go
is
to the room, Zoom
Bật mic cùng
subs.
rồi.
okay, this is
Thì
the
mình nhớ.
grade 6. You can transfer yourself if you agree. But this
Okay.
is primary 6.
Ờ,
Okay, thank you, teacher.
anh sai.
Okay.
Teacher, I would like to ask.
Yes.
I want to ask.
Yes.
Why is it 366 not 365?
Uh to be sure, 360 because we add 1. Okay. Then for 29, it's the average number of months in a year.
Tất cả là người Việt Nam.
Okay.
Nhưng mà Timo có cả tiếng Anh và
Okay,
cả cả
thank you.
Please, if you are grade 4 or grade 5, please properly join your Timo Mac because this is grade 6, okay? So that you can focus properly on your Timo Mac, okay? So we'll go for number 7, okay? So for this one, we have 16 plus 112 plus 120, and it's gonna be up to plus 1 over 2022. So actually, this one already gave out this this one. So if we break down the 16 and the 112 and the 120, we can just actually get 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4, right? Plus 1 over 4 times 5. So if we go over that, and if you've joined enough lessons, so I think you can get this one because the shortcut is gonna be like this. 1 over 2022 times 2023 plus 1 over 2023 times 2024. So it's gonna be like this one minus this one. Okay. So it's gonna be 1/2 minus 1 over 2024. Okay. And you can see that there's no difference between this one. So to make this sure and to make familiar with the question, it's gonna be like also like this. It's gonna be multiplied by 1 over the bigger one or minus the smaller one. So 3 minus 2. So it's gonna still gonna be 1 over 1. So we just focus on deducting. So we have here 2024. Please do not annotate. Okay. So 2024 divided by 2 is what? Is 1012 minus 1, and we're gonna be having 1 1 over 2024. Okay. You just use this one minus this one. But be sure to put this in this form first. Okay. So questions, and if there are none, then let's go on. So find the value of this one. It's yes. Other questions? Or I think huh, okay, you've seen yourself in Pisay already. So okay, for this one, what is our solution gonna be, class? What is the pattern gonna be shown? So for this one, we actually know, okay, uh, can you not annotate? Hello? Or please do not disrupt this class. So we have here, this one is gonna be plus 7, right? Because 16 minus 9 is gonna be 7, right? And this one is gonna be 7 also. And we know that's gonna be 7 and 7. Okay. So to find the number of terms, please do not annotate or I'll have to remove you from the class. Please behave yourself. So we have 7 here. So we have the 2 from the first. Yes, do you have a question or not? So it's gonna be plus 7, 7 plus going over plus 7 and plus 7 here. And we know it's gonna be 21's here. 21's 7. Okay. So we're gonna have 2 plus 7 times 21. And 7 times 21 is gonna be 147 plus 2. The answer is 149. Okay. So very good that there's correct answer in, so by counting It's gonna be 21 of like this. Mm. So I just made it shortcut. If you want, this is actually very long. Plus 16 minus 23 plus 30. Then 33 plus 40. Okay.
Teacher, I'm grade 4.
I you join the proper break okay. You leave the breakout room and you join the proper room. Okay? You can leave the breakout room and just chat that to be you are to be placed in the correct section. Okay? So the number of terms class. So okay. Any questions? If none, let's go over. So for this one, find the value of 4 over 1/6 times 4. Please rename yourself or I'll have to force to remove you in the class. I'll give you last two warnings. You're disrupting the class. So for this one, okay. I'm sorry, but I'll have to remove you because you're disrupting the class. So, okay, no more disruptions. So we have here 4, 1/6 times 4, okay? So by doing the PEMDAS, we need to find this first and also this and also this. Okay? So so to enable this one to multiply, yeah, let's go to mixed fraction first. So 4 times 6, 24 plus 1 over 6, 25 over 6 and times 4. So we'll have 100 over 6. So how about 9 1/3 times 3? So it's gonna be like this, 28 also. 28 over 3 multiplied by 3. Okay. So 28 times 3 is gonna be 84 over 3. And simplify will have 28. Then, okay, let's not simplify. So we can have LCD after. So we have 6, 5, 12 times 8. Then this is gonna be 65. Or, okay, 72 rather. 77 over 12 times 8. So 77 times 8 is 616. It's 24, 25, 100. So 616 over 12. And now we can add just LCD. So this is gonna be times 2. 100 is 200. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 84 is 336. And plus 616. Okay? So 616 plus 336 plus 200. We'll have at least 1152. Then if we divide them by 12, we'll get the answer of 96. Okay? Okay, please. Okay. So, questions? So, if there are none, let's go over. Okay. Okay, class, focus. Hmm, You just need to focus on the test. So, here, find the value of this one. So, to solve this one, it's gonna be a different solution than usual. So, for the first one, we're gonna break this down. So, we're gonna have 2020. Please do not annotate.
So, sir, I have questions for number 9. Why is it like that?
The number 9,
Yes.
you just need to uh have the mixed fraction before you multiply first, okay? Then if you add, use LCD. Okay? So, let's go. Please do not annotate. I already removed one student from. Okay? Please don't get on my nerves, class. And please behave yourself. You are representing your school. So, rather, this one, we break it down to make it more simpler, okay? But if you want to do longer method, it will take a lot of time, more than the 3 minutes allotted for each question. So for this one, we're gonna have the 20 times 1940 plus 2020 times 1. Okay? And now this minus here, copy. And this one is gonna be like this also. 2020 times 1940 minus 1 times 1940. Okay? And okay, if you've been studying class, you know that this one is gonna be this one minus this one. Okay, because this one is gonna get cancelled. We'll be able to cancel this right away. So it's 20 20 minus 1940. So it's gonna be this one minus this one. Okay? So and the answer is gonna be 80. And if you deduct this one right away also, but please, it's just a coincidence. Please do properly solve. This one is also minus 1941. It also gives 80. Okay. So questions. When will we start the test? Read the email that has been sent. Okay. So for this one, no questions. If no questions, then let's go over. So find the value of 2025 divided by 3, 2025 divided by 5, 2025 divided by 9, and 2025 divided by 25. So we know 2025, if we divide 2025 right away by 3, we'll get 675. Is that correct?
Maybe.
Wait.
Yes.
Okay. So 675. So how about this one, class?
405.
Okay, very good. 405. And for the other one, plus. So this one, so it's gonna be like dividing this one by 3. So the answer is gonna be 2 to 5. And this one,
81.
okay, very nice. And if we add them all together, we're gonna get at least okay, how do we do the long method or not? Well, let's do it. Let's do the long method. 675, 405, 2, 2, 5, and 81. So this is
It's 1386.
okay, very nice. And it's gonna be 8. Then this is gonna be 1. Then we'll have 13. So it's gonna be 1386. Very good, very good. Thus, you don't need to chat on the spam. You don't need to spam on the chat, okay? You just need to focus and just, okay? You focus on the test. You don't need that negativity in your life, class. You don't need to fight. Just behave, okay? So for this one, class, do you know the shortcut method for this one? Or do you want to do the long method?
Just do the long method.
But it's gonna take a lot of time, right?
Yes.
So for this one, so if we are to shortcut this one, okay? It's gonna be like this. 4 times 5 times 11,111. Okay? Is that correct? Because this one is 1, rather 4 times 1,111. Then this one also times 1,111. Okay? So if you do that one, you'll get this one 20. And if you multiply this one, you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rather 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Or do you want me to do the long multiplication of this one? So, okay. Very nice. There's answer on the chat box. Okay. So, okay, if you multiply 20 by this, we'll get at least 2, 4, 6, 9, 0, 8, 6, 4, 20. Okay. Very good, very good. Hmm. Plus, we are all Asians here with math. Okay. We can stop. Yeah. Yeah. Focus on the review. Okay. You can use this one, okay? brute mathing this is gonna take a long time. But if you want this one, you can do it. Prefer method. I'm just teaching you the shortcut. So, okay,
Can we just factorize the 11,000 out?
we can, what the, again?
And we just factorize the 11,000 out.
Yeah, you can just factor it out. Then multiply this two rather than multiplying this one. So this seems a bit, this seems a bit more easy than counting large numbers right away. Because on the last part, you just need to multiply them by 2 and you just add a 0 at the end. Okay, class. Focus. So if a 13-digit number, this one is divisible by 21, find the smallest possible value of a plus b. So for this one, for the divisibility rules of 3, div3, okay? This is gonna be the solution, okay? So, mm, 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus b plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1 plus a. So, this one means divisibility, okay? So, we have here 23 plus a plus b, okay? So, to make it divisible by 3, we just need to have it, what do you call this? We just need to have the sum be divisible by 3. So, we AB can be A plus B can be 4 to make it 27 or 1 or 7 or 10 or 13 or 16. Okay? So, just go to the divisibility rule of 7. Follow this one class, okay? So, for 7, we have here 510 plus A. Okay, follow because I won't state the rules. By the time you know this already, okay? Plus B minus 2. Okay? So, we have here 164. If we combine 5, 10, 364, 20, and minus 2, 164 plus A plus B. So, for this one class, we need to find what do we add to 164 to make it divisible by 7. So, we have A plus B is equal to 4, 11, and 18. So, the question is asking, find the smallest possible value. So, of A plus B. So we can see that the smallest possible value for 3 is 1, but it's not the smallest for divisible of 7. So we're gonna have 4 here, and we're gonna have 4 here also. Okay, nice. So let's go to the next question.
So, Mister, how is it possible? Number 13. I'm talking.
Remember to ask on time. I just erased the solution. It's divisible by 3. Okay, this one, it should be divisible by 7 and 3. You can take a screenshot if you want. So let's go over number 14. So for this one class, this should be easy. So given that the difference between of the two-digit integers a and b is 29. So if a minus b is equal to 29, find the smallest possible value of the product of a and b. So this one we can just actually put 10 plus 29 times 10. Okay? Okay, remember, it's two digits, so that's why I made this 10. Okay? So we have here 29 plus 10. So using PEMDAS, so we have 39 here times 10. So it's gonna be 390. Okay. Okay, very good. Everyone got also correct. So questions? If not, let's go ahead. So, okay. For this one class, you know how to do positive of absolute value rather, right? So, how many three-digit positive numbers divisible by 13 or 21 is or are there? So for this one, it's three digit, okay? Three digit. So we divide by the biggest. So we have here 999 over 13. But we minus it by the two digit. Okay? Remember. This is only three digit positive. That's why I minus. Okay? And the next part gonna be like this. So plus 9999 over 21 plus what do you call this? Minus rather. The 999 over 21 minus 99 over. Okay. So what should be the next class? Find the LCM, right? So to find the LCM of a prime number and a composite number, you can just multiply them right away. So 13 times 21 is just actually uh 273. So for this one, we add this, okay? Then we minus the number that has LCM, okay? So to make it uniform, I'll just do this, okay? To make it uniform. Actually, I can see your name when you're writing on the board. So for this one, this is the LCM, okay? You need to remove this one.
Maybe you can find a way to lock the
LCM.
lock the way to draw on your board. And so yeah.
I don't have my iPad or pen. Okay. I'm just using mouse. Do you not understand my penmanship? Because I'll write slowly. Okay.
Teacher, I think I think you can use like a button or control in the setting to like stop someone from annotating.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's let them behave themselves. And okay. Actually, I can see those who are annotating, and I can remove them from the class if they are disrupting. So it's actually a matter of behavior. You are already grade 6. You're going to high school next. Are you still gonna be like a kid? So for this one, it's gonna be the absolute value, so we don't need to take note of the remainder. So 76 minus 7 plus this one is gonna be 47 minus 4. Okay. And minus this one, this is gonna be 3. Then absolute value, so 0, this one. So we have here, this one is 69.
It's 111.
111?
No, 109.
Okay, very good. So this is actually 112 minus 3. So the answer is 109. Please, you're just chatting, you're not listening. So let's go over to the next number. Okay, you always remember, okay, 3 digits, so you need to deduct the 99 and also deduct the LCM. Okay?
So we must divide, right?
What?
We must divide, right? With
Define?
99.
Divide, yeah. Divide, but this is absolute value, so you don't need to discard the remainder. Okay?
Okay.
So 999 over 13 absolute value, so it has 76 remainder something, but we are on absolute value, so okay. Just get 76. No rounding up, okay? No round up, just the number and just erase the remainder, okay? So a 3-digit number has a remainder of 3 when divided by 4, has a remainder of 5 when divided by 7, and has a remainder of 1 when divided by 9. So for this one, we just need to actually find uh this one 4, 7, and 9 LCM. Okay? So how to find LCM of them? We just need to multiply them. Okay? So we'll get at least 252. Then 3. Okay, wait. There's a remainder of 3. So 252 remainder of 3. It should be plus 9. 252. Okay. It should be plus 9, I think. Not 19.
Teacher, I think you should like find for like the numbers like 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, yes, yes. But I'm just stating that we just multiply it by 1 since it's asking for the smallest possible value.
Okay.
So this should be also the LCM. And now we'll just have to get the remainder of 3, 5, and 1. So if we get that one, 19. So we'll have to add 19. Okay. So we'll have 271. So let's try 271. If we divide 271 by 4, this is 24. Mm,
So why 19?
31. So it's gonna be minus 28, right? So remainder of 3. So how about 5? 7. This is 21. 6.
It's 38 with a remainder of 5.
Remainder of 5. Okay. We're just finding the remainder. 41, 56. Okay. Okay, correct. Correct. And now a 9, 2, 7, 1 remain divide. Okay, we'll get 27. Remainder of 1. So the answer is 271. I forgot this one. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
where are you from?
Secret.
Where are you?
So
Yes.
why add 19?
It's good. Of all the remainders, this is gonna be the closest one that will get to the smallest possible value.
Um, Teacher, why
Yes.
are you have
We're
the
just yes.
why are you have 7 271?
It's 252 the LCM plus 19. 19 is a combination of the remainders and adding them again.
No, I ask of his.
Uh 271, this is the final answer. We just need to correct and make sure.
When we have a test.
Because I don't understand what you are saying. Please speak well.
Yes.
Okay. So let's go. So the sum of 42 consecutive numbers is 2667. So find the largest number. So to find the largest number, class, we just need to divide 2667,
And we
right?
can find the average of those numbers.
Okay, find the average. Or just use this
Or what
short.
about we divide and then we find the middle number?
Yeah, you can do that, but it will take long. Try this one. But if you prefer to divide, you can use that. But this should be the fastest. So we have here x. You probably know x right now, right? A mini algebra or just is equal to 127. So we have here 2x is equal to 127 plus 42 minus 1. So 2x 169 minus 1. So let's make it 168 over 2.
So x equals 64. No,
Mm,
84.
84. But you can also use what do you prefer? This 12667 divide 42 class? You prefer this method? Uh Correct me if I am wrong. You can do if that is your that that's ano.
Well, if
That's what
even
makes it easy
number,
for you.
then we find the average. Isn't that gonna get the median or something?
Yeah, you can get the middle part of that, but it's gonna be a long step because uh you're gonna be getting uh what's the middle number, right? If it's 42, it's gonna be 21 and 20, 21 and 22. So you'll
Teacher,
get a middle something here. Then you're gonna be go over like this. But you can do that if you want. Yes, Elena.
why do you multiply by 2?
Where? This one.
Yes.
This is the shortcut method for this one. Multiply by 2.
Okay.
And you divide. Okay. But you can also use your 42. Okay. 42 divide the big number to 667 and find the middle number. Then you can go on and so forth. It's just preference. So for this one, how many simplified fractions with the denominator of 2025? So for this one class, let's just prime factorization. You know how to do prime factorization of a number?
Yes, like the
Okay.
tree.
Okay,
So
it's either the 3 or
2025 is 3 to the power of 4
so
times
do we
5 to
find
the
the
power of
quotient
2.
of 2025?
you can just do the prime factorization class, okay? So okay, on your test, you need to do this manually, okay, to get them all. Like just like Pokemon, catch them all. So and for this one you need to get all the factors, okay? So for prime factorization of 2025, you'll get 3 raised to the 4 times 5 squared. Okay? And okay, this is just the hard part and it becomes easy right away on the bottom. So it's gonna be like this. Okay, this one is the formula. I hope you know this by now because if you don't know this,
Yes, I know.
then I don't know. It's gonna be hard.
So we just find quotient, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So 1 minus 1/5. So for this one, it's gonna be 2025 times what is 1 minus 1/3 class?
27?
2/3.
1/7.
Okay, 2/3 times this one is gonna
Or
be
5th.
okay 4/5. But we know class that 2025 is composed of 3/4, right?
Yeah.
Times 5, right? Correct me if I am wrong. So this one class, you'll just gonna be using so if right away this gonna become 3 cube times this one. So it's gonna be just 5 alone times 2 times 4. So 3 cube class. How much is 3 cube?
27.
And multiplied by
27.
5
7.
is
27.
times 5.
1,
1080.
1,
We just quadruple
135.
524 as 40.
Okay. Times 2 times 4 or just times 8 right away.
Can,
So we're
can
gonna
we
be
just have
270
1080.
times.
so can we just have 27 times 40?
180.
27 times yeah, 27 times 40. So remember this class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, remember this one. That if
Okay.
it doesn't matter how much exponents does it have, we just need to find the factor this one. Okay? This is for simplified positive simplified proper fractions with denominator. Make sure because there are problems like this, but they sometimes the other problems are using exponents as something. Okay, but
Sir,
okay, yes,
is that 1680 or 1080?
1080. Sorry,
Oh,
bad penmanship.
okay, it's okay.
Okay, I hope you understand something. Okay, so let's have at least 10-minute break. Okay,
Let's go.
so
5 tỷ á.
10 minutes.
okay,
Đùa
10
tao.
minute. I'll be back.
Teacher,
Con số to chả
Yes,
bá.
can you give me a file as the end class?
give you the what?
Tỷ
A
bố.
file of this?
The recording?
Yes.
I think yeah, we can give just ask the what do you call this? Ask in the email. Okay. So let's have our 10-minute break. So what time is there in Vietnam? Is it 10 or 9? Because it's 9 here in ours. So okay, be back on 13.
8, 8. Đấy. 8.
Okay, so be back on 13, okay?
No. 8.
In Philippines it's 9, okay? I think it's 8 there in Viet, so I'll just do this. It's be back by 13 a.m. Okay? Relax your brain for a minute.
Remember to close the chat.
Sir.
What do we do now?
What time do we end the class?
I think it's 8:30, but in other times I don't know what time. I think 8:30.
Well, teacher.
Now is break time.
The teacher's gone. Oh.
No, the teacher's just taking a short break.
Ah, okay. Okay.
What are you guys doing now?
I drink tea.
Okay. I'm just sitting here waiting.
I'm playing Roblox.
I play FIFA.
We're over again. I'm also on Discord, by the way. 7-Eleven. Oh, wait. There we go. Also, the chat, it's disabled.
We can chat here.
Oh, yeah. And then delete it afterwards.
Irving has disabled the chat. So nothing here.
Anyone who want to 1v1 with me in FIFA Mobile? Bro, do not write with the text. If you write with that, it's gonna take ages. Oh, I'm so sick of this. Stop. Sick of what? Of this. Look at the board. Yeah, we're just texting. So what? Bro.
When chat is disabled, we make this the new chat.
Yeah, we're gonna delete it afterwards.
Yeah. Easy.
Hold up. What's my mute? What's my mute? Where the heck is my mute?
You're not in the game, bro. Sorry. I'm very bored.
Both for
Same.
games.
Ah!
Someone.
What is
What
this?
up? What's up?
Absolute cinema.
Who the hell did that, bro? Oh my god. Absolute troll. Absolute troll.
Like for draw or
Mm.
something, can play games. Anything you want to do in this break.
What is LU? Oh my god. Wow.
Thì vừa lắm vẽ.
Diablos. Yeah.
So kitty bitty dom dom zit zit.
Oh,
What
heck
the fuck?
no. No. No.
What the
Get the
fuck?
heck out.
Dude. Why? It looks like a glitch.
This is
Why is it so laggy?
That's
Someone
revolution.
even named it.
What is this? A revolution?
Bro, oh my god. Where is the Tito?
He just gone.
They're gonna
That's the
kill it.
god.
They're gonna kill it. So she
Hello,
knows.
class. I think you are all ready. Let's just resume a bit
Oh.
early now.
Problem to be honest.
Oh my God.
Okay, okay. You can stop annotating na, class. Okay, stop, 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 stop. Okay, just chill for a second.
Look
Okay,
at what they've done.
it's okay, it's okay.
Absolute cinema.
Okay,
Absolute cinema of drawing.
okay. Chill for a second,
Done.
class. Chill. Or we're gonna play like Squid Game.
Oh my
What?
god.
Just
How is
joking.
that possible? Wow.
Just
Rhea.
joking. Okay, okay, okay. Focus, focus,
You're not
focus,
poor.
focus. Focus
Wait.
because I want you all to do your best.
can just turn off the camera and done.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, bro. Okay, okay, bro.
Okay,
Let's
bro.
focus. Let's focus now. Let's focus. Let's go.
You know
Let's go.
what? I'm
Let's
just gonna arrow.
okay. Why is there an arrow there? Class, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You don't need to annotate no more. Okay? Focus, focus. Oops.
Oh my god.
Okay, sorry. That was an error. PowerPoint error. Okay? Chill now, class. Chill. I don't want to be mad. You just fixed my mood, class. Okay?
The solution is 4.5. That's
Okay?
it. Hold up.
How do we... Okay, David, you need to stop drawing, David.
Leave it.
It's 3 times 3 times 2 times
36.
Class. Okay. Let's just do it. Okay, this one. We'll need to count. This is one, right? So two,
Then 2, and then 1, 2,
two,
3,
three,
and
two.
then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then multiply.
Okay.
Because I know this before.
So what's gonna answer? What's the
Just-
answer gonna be?
knew it.
Okay, 3
36.
24, 24.
times 2 and times 2. Right? Is this correct? So 6 times 6?
Yes.
What is 6 squared, class?
36.
36.
Okay.
36.
Okay. I will really scold you if you don't get this one. Class, stop na. Stop annotating. Focus. Okay. For this one, class, given that the area of rectangle is 396 and the side lengths,
What the heck?
Who did that?
Who did that?
Who
class,
did?
I don't want to take your,
did that?
I don't want to remove another student, okay? Let's just chill. Chill yourself down. I can see your name and so you don't embarrass yourself because the recording is gonna be shared to everyone. You're gonna be seeing your name disrupting the class. So for this one class, you know how to answer this one? So for
Yes,
this one
I know.
class, again, this one,
396 divided by 2 equals 198. So the sum of the length and the width is 198.
okay.
Yeah, what if we find the factors?
So for this one, we need to find the factors, okay?
But this is the area, not the
This
perimeter.
okay. How many different possible values, okay, of the perimeter? So for this one, okay, just like we did earlier, prime factorization, okay? So factor
99.
3,
We can do it 2.
18.
Do it 2.
They're 99.
okay, 2 and 1. 396 divided by 2, how much is it?
198. 198.
Okay, 198. And if we divide it by 2 again, we'll get
99.
99. Wait, what?
sorry, bad math.
18.
99.
Then this one is 3 times 33, right?
33.
Then this
And
is
33
3.
equals 3 times 11.
3, 11,
11.
So our factor is gonna be like this.
2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 11.
Okay. So class, remember this one. So our solution is gonna be like this, okay? It's gonna be like this. Okay?
And then we're gonna find it.
Ignore this line. So it's gonna be 2 plus 1. Okay?
Yes. Because there are 2 and 1
2 plus 1
plus 1
times 1
plus 1.
plus 1, and they're gonna be divided by 2 because this is the formula.
Wow.
So why divide by 2?
Nine.
Why divide by 2?
This is the formula. Okay? So but this one 2
Because the
squared.
teacher said so. 9.
Okay? So this one has just one exponent. Okay? That's why it's 1 plus 1. Okay? So
Okay.
okay. Please do not annotate. Class.
Oh, rectangle is easy.
Easy, dumb dude.
Okay, so
Easy.
for this one, it's gonna be 3 times 3 times 2 divided by 2. So, please do not annotate. Who is that? Okay, you're disrupting the class now. Everyone is
Mỗi lúc nó tăng được 100 tỷ năng lượng
everyone the
SP, mỗi lúc nó tăng 100 tỷ.
so this is 9, then this is gonna be 1, right? So times 1, so is equal to 9.
Vãi
Okay,
đây.
do this, do this, do this. This is the formula.
Okay.
Divide by 2 after.
Okay,
Okay?
the next one is easy. It's a rectangle.
Okay?
Mạnh thế
Right?
đi.
What right? The solution makes it more easier than before. Or okay.
Yes. Yes.
So let's go. I hope you understood that one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You made me disable the annotation for the others. I don't want to do that, but okay, you forced my hand. So let's go to this one. Okay. How many rectangles
Rectangle.
is this class? For this one, it's just gonna be 1, right? This is
Yeah.
gonna be 2.
2,
This is gonna
3,
be
3
3.
and 4.
4,
Is this 4?
5. 4. 4. Yeah. 5. 5.
Okay. So this one is also gonna be 1, 2,
2,
3,
10, right? 10.
and 4. But
30.
this one is gonna be 1, right?
2,
27.
28.
It's
But
the total of 27.
this one is
Plus
gonna be
28.
1 plus 1. And this one because of okay.
So why do you plus 1?
Okay. This is 1 because this is box alone. This is
Okay.
2 because 1 and 2. Okay?
Okay.
This is
Okay.
3
About 3 because it
because
has 3.
1, 2, and 3. Okay?
3.
Okay.
25.
So we have 1
1
here,
box 1.
2 and 3. So
Box 1.
this is gonna be 4, right?
Yes.
Yes.
But we
Of
need to
course.
count what's on the bottom. So
There's more on the
1, 2,
2.
and
3.
3. Okay, so that's why we add 3. 4 plus 3. So this becomes 7. Did you got that?
Yes.
So this one is
Yes.
1. This one
1
is
and
2.
2. After 3.
And no. This is just
See, that's
1.
not true. It has to count like the other ones.
Okay, we count this first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. You write 1, 1, 2.
Sorry. 2 and 5. Okay? This one is 3 because it's 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Were you able to get that or you want me to repeat it again?
Yes.
It's. I get that. I got it.
Okay. So if you got that, we can just add 7 plus 3. This is 10 plus 2. 12 plus 1, 13, 16, and 21.
So we have to plus all.
Yeah, you need to plus all. Okay, I'll
It's
make
48.
this proper too.
More.
So this is all in all 27. 28 rather, sorry. So are we good? You understand that if you count this one, you also need to count by this one. Did I emphasize that?
Yes.
Is that clear? Okay.
Yes.
So let's go to number 22 because we only have 40 minutes left.
Hai Việt
Okay?
Nam
Class,
luôn.
class, class. Listen on this one. Okay, listen on this one. I have a shortcut formula of this. Okay?
It's a volume.
This one, this
140.
one, and this one. Okay? First is 140 over 2 times 42 over 3 times 80 divided by 4. Then we're gonna be having square root them all. Okay? Did you get that?
Teacher, why is it like that?
It's the formula for this specific problem for the cuboid.
I understand it.
Okay? So this one it's gonna be 70 times 14. Are you raising your hand? Do you have a question or are you disrupting the class? I can easily remove you if you want. So if you multiply this one, class, so 14
It's
times,
16800.
but okay. Class, do you know that this is 14 70 is just actually 14 times 5? Am I right? This one.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then 14 times 20. So, but we know 5 times 20 is also gonna be 100, right? So, if we have 14 times 14 times, so 100, okay? This one is 100.
100.
100, right? But it's also 10 times 10, right? So what do
Oh,
you think?
so it's 140.
Okay. So if you know the square root, right?
Yeah.
14 squared times 10 squared. So if we apply, it's gonna be 14 times 10. So the answer
Yeah,
is
but isn't it supposed to be 100?
100 what?
The 10 one is supposed to be 100, right?
Yeah. Okay. This one. 5 times 200 is 100. But I just made it 10 times 10 to make it clear that if you square root that one, you'll get a 10. Okay? Okay, let's go now.
Okay.
Our time is running out. I hope you okay. So this one class. Mm. So for this one, our solution is gonna be like this. Uh, so if the radius of a circle is 5, so we have here, and the side length of an equilateral triangle is equal to the circumference of the circle. So we can just do it like this and answer in terms of pi. So we don't need to do the pi anymore. So we can just put pi as pi. Okay. So this is the solution for this one. It's gonna be simple. Okay. So the answer is 35. Okay. So we're able to get this one.
Yeah.
Perimeter, that's why times 3.
Yes.
Radius is 5. And the side length of an equilateral is equal to the circumference of the circle. So, di ba? Sorry. If this is a circle, okay, imagine perfect circle. Imagine. Okay. So this is radius. Radius is 1/2. And circumference or diameter is the whole. So that's why. So let's go to number 24 now. So it is known that the length of the shortest side and longest side of a right triangle is 16 and 25. Okay? So area for uh
Yeah, is it hypotenuse?
yeah, hypotenuse. You know this right now,
Yeah.
right? So the formula is gonna be like this. 25 squared minus 15 squared. What is 25 squared, class? 25 times 25 is
625 minus 225.
25.
625
what's
minus
15 squared again? 15 squared?
225.
25.
Okay.
Which is
400
400,
and then
which square root
400,
is
so it's
20.
20. So the slight set is 20.
The answer is square root 400. Then square root 400 again is?
20.
Okay, that's
20.
nice.
It's 20.
Okay, very good. So, questions?
It's actually 16 centimeters, not 15 centimeters.
That's a typo.
It's okay, typo. The important part
Yeah.
is the solution, okay?
16.
Okay, let's go to the last 6 numbers.
Teacher, it's 16.
is 16, not 15.
Oh,
But
okay.
60 is
Typo of the problem,
It
typo.
was a typo in the problem.
Sorry, typo. It's supposed to be 15 class. Because if it's gonna be 16, then the solution is gonna be a bit more complicated, okay? So, okay, that's supposed to be 50. Because if we have 25, 625 minus, what's 16 squared again? Minus 256.
2,
And 625 minus 256 is 369.
369.
Yeah, but that doesn't
Then,
work anymore. That
okay,
doesn't
this
work.
this is not a perfect square.
It's gonna be like decimal.
Yeah. It's decimal or irrational. It's gonna be 3 squared something. So let's go. Okay, class. By now you already familiarized permutation or combination, right?
This
So
is permutation,
Yes,
right?
sir.
I think I permutation. But let's yeah. By now you should be able to know that permutation and combination
Exponentiation.
because you're in final round. So I guess everyone here is smart enough to know that already. So you're here C95, right? Or 9C5. You know this class? You know this by now, right?
Yeah.
It's 5,
Times or not that.
9 minus 5. Is this correct, class?
I think so. Yes.
So it's gonna be like this.
Yes.
9
5 factorial
times.
is 120.
So true.
Okay, wait a second. You don't need to do. Okay. So it
So why is
becomes
that
like this.
exclamation mark? So why is the exclamation mark?
It's factorial. It's factorial.
It's
Factorial.
Factorial exists, bro.
Factorial in a combination.
Okay.
Factorial is basically
Factorial.
like 1 factorial is 1.
So this is gonna be cancelled. Okay. And this is gonna be what is 4 factorial again, class?
It's 24, which is 6. That's 12
It's
times 2.
1 times
Okay.
2 times 3 times 4, which is
So we have 9 times
24.
8 times 7 times 6 over 24. So this
Yeah,
one.
6 and 24 cancel out. And 8 and 20,
And
8 and
8 and
24 also cancel out.
So we have here 1 over 3, right? Then this becomes 2
Yes.
over 1. So it's just 9. We'll be left with 9
So
times
we have
7.
number 9,
And
17,
126.
So the answer is?
126.
126.
Okay, very good. Easy breezy.
This is very easy, to be honest.
Okay, class, remember this one, class, huh?
Yes,
Okay.
Okay, then remember to
I
cancel first,
understand.
then simplify. Okay. Nice.
Yippee.
So let's go over to number 26. If you choose three different numbers from 1 to 4, 6, and 7 to form, how many of these numbers are divisible by 3? So,
I think we can do blank multiply, and then add the numbers.
okay, how about you do this one, class?
I have an idea.
1 plus 2 plus 6. Okay? Remember divisibility rules of 3? Class?
So why do we do that?
We do this one because the divisibility rule of 3 is that if we add okay, sorry. If we add all the digits, it should be divisible by 3. It should be. Okay, I think I have to buy a pen right now. Divisible by 3, okay?
The answer is
So we have here 1 plus 2 plus 6, 2 plus 4 plus 6, right? Because this is 12. 12 is divisible by 3, right? And we have
3
4
sevens.
plus
Yeah.
6 plus 7 and 1 plus 4.
Sure, but That's 17. 17 is not divisible by 3.
276.
4, 6, 7.
No,
that's
17 is
Okay,
not
okay.
divisible by 3. 4 plus 6 plus 7 is 17.
Okay, sorry. So,
Wait, 4 plus 6 plus 7 is also not divisible by 3.
so this one is, okay, this is 9, right? This is, how much is this?
It's
12.
8.
12.
No, it's 12.
And,
4
Okay.
plus 6
and the
equals
bottom
10.
is 10.
Okay, how about,
You can
okay.
add it to
267.
2, 6, 7, right? 2 plus 6 plus 7. And 1 plus 4 plus 7. So this one is gonna be 15?
No, it's 50. Oh, wait.
15. And
15.
this
Yeah.
one,
I
class,
guess we cannot reach
12.
18.
also 12. So we have 3, right? So this one is gonna be like this. 3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2 times 1. And 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? So if you have here 6, another 6, another 6, and another 6. So if you add them all, class.
24.
Okay.
24.
That's how we do this one, okay?
Sir,
Yes?
why is it 3 times 2 times 1?
Selection. I remember if you use, okay, this one, this is three numbers, right? And if you use one already here, then you'll be left with two choices. That's why it's times two after. So, example, if we use 1, 2, 6, right? 1, 2, and 6. So, if we use 6 here, we'll be left with two choices, right? So, that's why we have times 2, okay? Let me make it more.
Okay.
So, it's gonna be 3 here because we can use 1, 2, or 6 here. Okay? So, times 2 here because if we use 1 here, then we'll be left with 2 or 6. Is that correct? Right?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
if we use 2 here, if we use 2 here, we will be left with 1 and 6 here. And if you use 1, 6 here, we will be left with just 1. Right? Correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. So, did that make it clear?
Yes.
Okay, the second solution after this one is gonna be a bit okay. So I'll properly put down, okay. So for this one, okay, sorry. Okay, okay, this is the so for this one, so let's choose the first set of numbers that do not do not have a difference of 29. Okay, so that's why we have here 51 to 79. So we choose here. So 80 to 108 now. Okay. This one. Okay, then this one and this one. This one and this one. So we're gonna have a four pattern, right? So by their common difference and this one patterning, okay? I don't have other most basic way of teaching you class, but I'll put this one here. Okay? So that's why we multiply it by 4. Because, okay, then plus 1, any numbers from the unchosen. So,
My way is easier.
okay, you read this one properly. You can take a screenshot. So, I don't have any other breaking it down to simpler terms. This is the most simplest way I can teach you this one. Okay, do you know how to screenshot, class? You can screenshot this one. Okay, so then always plus 1. This is not the unpaired plus paired, okay? This one is for the paired only. So 29 here, 29 also here. So that's why you multiply it by 4. Okay? So take a screenshot of this because we'll move to the other problem right now. Okay? This one is a bit complex. So oh, why is it gone? Okay. Remember to screenshot this one, okay? 1, 2, 3, and let's go. So this one class, what is our viable solution for this one? What is the combination that we're gonna be using? Is it 7C3? 7 combination of 3 or not?
3 plus 7 combination of 3.
Okay. 3 plus 7 combination of 3. So it's gonna be 10C3, right? 10C3. So let's do this. So okay, given that 10 minus 7, right? So we'll have okay, 10 minus 7. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So we'll have here 7 factorial over 3 factorial times 10 times 9 times 8 and times 7 factorial. Okay, class? By now, you know, we cancel this one out. We cancel this one out. What is 3 factorial again, class?
6.
3
Six.
factorial.
3 times 2 times 1.
The answer is?
6.
Okay, 6. Then this
20 times
becomes
6.
3 over 2, right? Then this one is 4 over 1. This is correct. So we'll be
Yes.
left with 10
Yes.
times 3 and times 4.
110, 20.
Okay, very good. So questions for this class. Okay, I think okay. I remember problems, okay? There are specific formulas for specific problems. Okay? Remember. I don't want you to get your solutions jumbled up. Later is the exam, right, or tomorrow? Tomorrow?
So 22 po.
22. Okay, so sorry. So 22 pa pala. So let's go to 29. So this one class, do you know how to do this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Fibonacci
Yes.
sequence.
Okay, Fibonacci. Very good. So 1, 2. But we need to start with 1, 2 here. But yeah, Fibonacci solution. So 1 plus 2 is 3.
3.
3.
Then 3 plus 2 is 5.
5.
This one is gonna be?
8.
Okay, nice. 5 and 8 is gonna be?
13.
30.
13 and 8?
21.
21 and?
34.
Okay.
34.
Do we need to go on? Or is this the answer?
This is the answer.
Okay.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Okay. 34. Yippee.
LeBron James.
No yippee. LeBron James.
Okay, are we good?
Kobe. Yes.
Okay. That's nice. Okay. So, how many different ways are there for 3 children among 6 boys and 6 girls queue in a row? Okay, class. This one calls for a permutation, right? Am I correct? Is this
Yes, po.
combination or permutation?
Yeah.
Permutation.
Yes, this
Okay.
is a
So what's the permutation for this one, class?
12 permutation 3.
I think it's 6.
So if is this 12 permutation of 3, then what's gonna be the solution here? It's 12 and
10.
12 factorial over 9 factorial.
12 fact.
12 factorial over 3 factorial times 9 factorial.
Huh? 3 factorial times 9 factorial.
It's gonna
12
be like
factorial.
this, right?
12 minus factorial.
Correct me if I am wrong. It's gonna be like this.
Yes po.
Okay. So we
It's
have here
1320.
12 times 11 times 10 times 9 factorial over 9 factorial. So cancel.
Destroy the
Put them at the top.
100.
Times 11
No, it's
times
1320.
1,320.
1,000.
Okay, okay, okay.
130.
Okay, you chat the answer. You chat the answer. The answer is gonna be
1320.
okay, 1320.
And I don't have chat.
Wow. Oh, you don't have chat. That's okay. It's okay. So this is okay. This is number 30 already. Are we good, or do you want to go back on some problems?
No.
We good.
Okay. Why don't we just skim it around for one last time? Okay. Then we end.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's skim and let's do what do you call this? Answering it fast. So this one, you just add them all, then divide by 8. Okay. Then this one is you add them all, but you add the biggest here, okay? Then next is if 10 sections means 9 cuts, okay? You always minus 1 if sections going to cut, okay? Minus 1.
One hundred 35 minutes.
So, okay, this one, just do practice your own solution for this one, okay? I have given the solution earlier. This
50.
one class, okay, this one
Yeah.
is adding
Not the
by
three
3
number at
pattern.
the first at the
Okay, 3 pattern. This one class is the 366 times 29 plus 1, okay? This is 365 plus 1. Then okay. This one, okay, you need to make sure this becomes 1 over 2 times 3, okay? So that you can have 1 half minus 1024. Okay? This
Yes.
one, we know it's gonna be 7 pattern here. Then just find the number of terms, okay?
Yeah.
Then you add 2 on the last part.
Okay.
So this one, you make it in a mixed fractions first before you multiply, okay?
Okay.
Then you add
Yes.
using LCD.
Okay.
This one, I have a specific, I don't know if it works directly, but this is the lazy method. You minus this one. And this one. Yes?
Yes.
Teach question. If the answer would be in terms of pi, can we answer the word pi instead of the symbol pi?
Yeah, you can use pi or the symbol pi because it's hard to put them in inputting right on the online test. You can use pi po.
Like the letters pi.
Yes po.
Thank you.
Okay. So this one class, you can just uh direct divide. So but what happens class uh if it if it is not divisible by this one? What happens class? We make them into mixed fractions, right? Then we get the LCD and we add them if the, if this one is not divisible by this one. Right?
Teacher, I found another way to do this problem.
What is your solution for this one?
We can find the lowest common multiple of 3, 5, 9, and 25. And then say the lowest common multiple of 3, 5, 9, and 25, and then we change the divisors to that number.
I don't. It's okay.
Like 2025 divided by 3 plus 2025 divided by 5. We can say it's like 2025 times 5 divided by 15 plus 2025 times 3 divided by 15.
Okay. Okay. Can you please share your solution? You can you can annotate. Can you share your solution? I'm quite.
Okay, I'll annotate.
You can annotate. I gave you I enabled annotation. Can you annotate? Hello? Are you there?
Yes.
But he is not annotating. Where is he? I just want him to show his solution for the others. Okay, okay. Okay. So this is his other solution class. I just want him to share because we have extra time. LCM of 3, 5, 9, and 25. The LCM is gonna be
35 divided 3 divided x.
okay. Divided by 3 all over x.
Abay, naman square.
Okay. Try to do it more faster, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's try to do it more fast, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, class, chat, set. Okay. So this should be his solution, okay? So will you still gonna be getting 1386 here? Okay, okay. So I have to disable indentation, okay? So okay. Nice class, nice class. So let's go over. Let's speed run. Okay, this one class, the times 111, okay?
Yes.
To make it more faster. This
Two,
one,
two, 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 zero.
this one divisible by 3 and divisible by 7. You need to be familiar with the rules of divisibility. Okay? This one, if it is the smallest possible value, then remember two-digit integers. That's why we made it 29 plus 10. Okay? Because it's two-digit. If not, then we can just say it's 29 and 30 and 1. If just
90.
okay. So but okay. So for this one class, absolute value, okay? Absolute value and the LCM of 13 and 21. And this one class, remember to find the proper remainder. Okay? So properly add the three combination of three remainders here rather. So this one class, you can use my method earlier or you can use yourself. Okay? But if you divide it by 42, it's gonna be a lot further because uh 21 is far from 42.
Mm.
So how many positive for this one class? The prime factorization, okay? Then we don't care how many exponent, just the then this one class, okay? This one is not included. This one, annotate
Mhm.
the box on
Yes.
loan. Then this one class, 396. This is one where you prime factorization and get the exponent something. Then this one, remember to count by this one, okay?
Yes.
Okay, nice, nice. So this one on 22, use the square root method, okay?
Yes.
Yes.
More faster way rather than solving it manually. This one you can use the word pi when answering, okay? You
But
don't
Yes.
need okay, be careful if the question is just answer in terms of pi. This one, uh hypotenuse, okay? So, SOHCAHTOA, you know that by now?
okay.
Yes.
I no, not SOHCAHTOA. Hi Pythagorean theorem, Pythagorean, Pytha.
Mm.
So this one combination, okay?
Yes.
9C5. This one, the divisible rules of 3 is the if all the digits have the sum of 3, okay?
Sum of 3.
The divisibility rule of 3, divisible by 3. So that's why uh we made it 9, then the ones we 3 times 2 times 1. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So this one class, you reread the one in the recording, okay? And you read it slowly so you can understand it more.
Okay.
Yes.
This one, 28, is combination or permutation?
Permutation.
1, 2, 0.
It's combination. It's 7 plus 3 plus a combination of 3. So 10C3. Okay?
Yes.
So this one class, Fibonacci, but you can just start as 1. What is 1? And is it 2 or just 1 again?
3, 4.
Okay, 1, 3, and 5, right? Okay, wait. Then lastly, this is permutation, okay? It's 12 permutation of 3. Okay? So for those who are raising their hands, you have any question before we end?
I don't have.
Okay. So we can end the class now. Let's have a picture. Okay. Oh,
Bye-bye.
we are 126. We are a lot. Okay.
Bye-bye, teacher.